So here's how to publish a website using Wix. First up, let's head over to the wix.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, click on Login or Get Started on the top right corner. And once you're logged in, this will be your dashboard. Now, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Click on Design Site on the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to the Wix website editor page. Give it some time to load up. Sometimes it may take a little while. And as it loads up, you will get to see this preparing your site message on the top. We are now in the website template. Over here, you can scroll through and check it out. And if you go over to the top right, you will get to see this preview option. Click on it to get a preview of your website. You can now interact with your website just like you would as a user. So this way, you can go through and check out different pages or sections of your website. So once you're done with your preview and are satisfied with the result, you can click on Publish on the top right corner. So after clicking on it, your website will be published and live. And as you can see, you will get a pop-up just like this congratulating you about your published website. Here, click on View Site to visit your newly published website. And that is exactly how to publish a website on Wix.